I know you've been searching for a real, working way to use VEO3 without a credit card, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. This isn't one of those fake tricks that stop halfway or ask you to pay later. This is a legit method that gives you full access to VEO3 completely free, with no limits, in stunning 1080p HD. Right now, this method is working perfectly. But here's the thing, opportunities like this never last forever. Tools update, loopholes close, and free access can vanish overnight. That's why if you're watching this, you need to take advantage of it immediately. I'll guide you step by step so you can start creating unlimited, high-quality videos with VEO3 today without ever entering your card details. You'll be able to produce as much as you want, whenever you want, while this method is still active. So if you've been wanting to explore VEO3 without worrying about trials or payment walls, stick with me. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have full access in just minutes. Let's get started before it's too late. You can either use your existing Gmail account or create an entirely new one for this process. On my screen, you can see that I am using one of my existing Gmail accounts, and it is not a premium Gemini account. It is simply a regular standard Gmail that anyone can set up in just a few minutes. Before we go any further, I need to clarify something important about location requirements. If you are in the United States right now, you can follow this method without making any changes to your connection. However, if you are originally from the United States but you are currently outside the country, or you are not from the United States, you will need to use a VPN to proceed without any issues. I recommend turning it on before starting. Personally, I suggest using NordVPN because it has always given me a smooth, problem-free experience. A lot of people in the comments have asked me which VPN works best since many free or unreliable options cause connection problems. That is why NordVPN is always my top suggestion. I have included a link in the video description. If you decide to purchase one of their longer plans using that link, you will receive an extra 4 months of service at no additional cost. Once your connection is ready, go to your browser and search for OPEL Google. You will see a result with the experiment tag attached to it. That is the one you need to open. This will take you to the Google OPEL experiment page. OPEL is an experimental tool created by Google that allows you to build and customize small applications directly with their ecosystem. When the page loads, click the option to sign in. Use your normal Gmail account to log in. After entering your credentials, click Continue when prompted. Google will now display a permissions screen. Here, you will see that Google Drive is requesting access to edit and store content. This is necessary because every project you create will be automatically saved to your Google Drive for easy access later. Select all permissions, click Continue, and let it process. Once the sign-in is complete, the OPEL interface will appear. You will now be ready to start. Since we are beginning fresh, I will click Create New to start a brand new project. It may take a few seconds to load, but once it does, you will have the full workspace in front of you. And now we are ready to begin building. The full interface is now loaded on the screen, and we are ready to begin creating. At this stage, all that is required is to provide a written prompt, and Google OPEL will take that prompt and automatically build an application for us using its advanced AI tools. Think of it as giving the system detailed instructions on what you want, and it will handle the entire setup process for you. I have already prepared a very specific and carefully structured prompt that explains exactly the type of app we need to create. You will find this prompt in my WhatsApp channel. The link is in the video description below. It is written step by step, so the system knows precisely what to build. Simply copy that prompt, paste it into the prompt field here, and then press enter. Once you do that, the system will take a little time to process and build the application. You will see the app structure forming on the screen. In my case, the first node shows an option to upload a JPG or PNG image for animation. Below that, there is another option to generate a video from text. This is because my instructions included two different models, one for image animation and one for text-to-video creation. For now, I will click Start to begin. The first prompt asks me to upload an image, but I am not going to do that right away, so I simply press Enter to skip it. My current focus is on generating a video from text. I paste my prepared video prompt, press Enter, and let the system work. Do not worry. I will also show you how to animate an image in just a moment, so you will have a complete understanding of both features. The system begins processing the text-to-video request step by step, and soon the video is ready. I click on the App tab at the top to view it in a larger display. Let me play it for you. And as you can see, it has created a high-quality video with excellent visual clarity. This output is in full 1080p HD resolution, and importantly, there is no VEO watermark anywhere on the video. It is a completely clean result. To download it, click on the three-dot menu, select Download, and the video will be saved to your device. You can confirm the download at the top of your browser or in your Downloads folder. Now, let us return to the editor to explore the image animation feature. Clicking the refresh button at the top will reset all current settings and prepare the interface for a new task. Once it resets, I scroll down and click Start again. This time, I will choose the option to upload an image. I select my image file, press Enter, and now the system asks for an animation prompt. I type in a descriptive animation request, press Enter again, and the process begins. This method can take a little longer than generating a video from text, but remember, it is still completely free to use. Once it finishes, I click the app view again, and here it is. The image has been beautifully animated into a video. The result looks smooth and professional, and just like before, you can download it through the three-dot menu. If this method worked for you, let me know in the comments below. I want to hear about the videos you were able to create and how the results turned out for you. Your feedback not only helps me know this method is still working, but it also helps others who are trying it for the first time. So scroll down, drop a quick comment, and share your experience.